Hey folks, welcome to West Coast Kia here in Pitt Meadows, Maple Ridge. Today I want to have a walk around in this 2017 Kia Sportage LX. It is a recent trade-in. Customer went with a bigger vehicle just because they had the kids, they needed to. Take a look at this, it's nice and clean. It's a nice sparkly silver, fog lights, beautiful front headlights. Let's take a look. It is wrapped in the plastic or rubber all the way around because this is the all-wheel drive version of the Sportage LX. It has alloy wheels, locking wheel nuts. The customer had put the window visors on it so you won't have to deal with it. It has the roof bars so you can put some crossbars on it and carry whatever you want. Let's take a look. No cracks in the windshield. It's gone through 135-point safety inspection. Anything that was wrong with it has been taken care of, and it is service current, so you shouldn't have any problems there as well. Oil changes, full tanks of fuel, that sort of stuff. It has a lot of space. They drive well. I've got one myself. I drive the new 2020, but the 17's in really good shape. A little trailer hitch has been added as well. So if you wanted to put bike racks and things like that on the back, you can. It's an MPV, so it has the dark tint back glass and the back windows as well, but I've currently got them open. Runs on regular fuel, locking gas cap, of course. Just let you take a look. A lot of space in the back of the Kia Sportages for people and feet. Accommodations like cup holders, 12-volt plug-ins, air conditioning that can be aimed at the person in the back, so they're not going to be hot. These seats can adjust to straight up and down to recline, and you can adjust them while you're driving, so that's kind of a good thing. It does have the power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. So even though it's a base model, Kia does provide a lot of options. The seat can be jacked up for somebody a little bit shorter, or keep it low if you like to be a little bit away from the roof. It has a high roof line, so you wouldn't have that problem. Okay, I'm just going to jump in for a second and let you take a look at how nice and clean this is. It's never been smoked in. It does have a backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, air conditioning, again heated seats, and 12-volt plug-ins, USBs, and auxiliaries. Sorry, it's hard to see that. There you go. Again, this only has 24,251 kilometers. Bluetooth, of course, voice talk system there. Cruise control there. Hey, listen, come on down to West Coast Kia. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway. Love to see you today and get you in this nice little Sportage. Again, this is a low kilometer, one owner actually, 2017 Kia Sportage LX, and it's waiting here at West Coast Kia. See you soon.